Okay, Panthers, let's look at learning target 32. This is what we've worked on Monday and Tuesday of this week. This is factoring where the first term isn't x squared or n squared. It's like 2x squared or 8n squared. Take about 3.5 minutes. Try each of these, and then we'll come back together, Panthers. All right, Panthers, let's see. These are the ones that are a little bit more complicated simply because the first term is not quite so easy to split up. To factor 2x squared plus 3x minus 20, I know where 2x squared and negative 20 belong. And I will point out here that it helps that I get 2x squared. The only way to break down 2 is to get 2 and 1. This has to be 2x and 1x. I also need to split up my 20 to find a way to make positive 3x in the middle term. I think the only three options I've got for 20 are these three. I know the signs must be different. And I'm looking for plus 3x. A little bit of trial and error. I think I see that maybe it's 4 and 5. Because if I put 4 in the top right, 4 times 2x is 8x. 5 times x is 5x. And I can, since I know one of the signs has to be negative, if I make this a negative 5x, we've got it. This must be a minus 5 and a plus 4. And there's my factorization. It's 2x minus 5 times x plus 4. If that wasn't the first one you tried, that's okay. A lot of this is trial and error. Try some things out, see if they work, and if they don't be afraid to go back and try another option. B is a little bit tougher because we have 8n squared, and there are options on how to break down 8n squared. I know the 8n squared goes here on top, but I don't know, I don't know if this is going to be, 1n and 8n. Or 2n and 4n. The good news about negative 3 is that the only option is 1 and 3, and I know the signs must be different. So one will be positive, one will be negative. Let's see if we can figure out what goes where. I'm just going to try something. I'm going to try maybe 4n and 2n. I don't know if it's right. That's what I'm going to try. If I have to go back and undo it, I will. And let's see, let's try making, maybe we'll put the 3 here and the 1 here, see what that looks like. 2n times 3 is 6n. I think I lucked into this one. I think I got this one first try. 4n times 1 is 4n. I know one of the signs has to be negative, and the one I need to make positive 2n would be negative 4. Positive 6 and negative 4 must be a negative 1 and a plus 3. I got lucky twice there, Panthers. I think we're looking at 2n minus 1 times 4n plus 3. I cannot emphasize enough, your first effort on that may not give you the correct middle term. Don't be afraid to use pencil. I've got plenty of pencils up here in the black cup. If you need to borrow one for the mastery assessment, please do. Let's try one more, Panthers. Let's try one more together. And let's see if we can make some progress here. On 25x squared minus 9. Go ahead and try it, Panthers. Take about 2 minutes. Here's another one where it probably helps you to write it as 25x squared plus 0x minus 9. If you can do so, what you know here for this one is that you need the middle terms to drop out. I think it was Monday that we decided that there might be a shortcut to that one. Because what you guys know is that what needs to go here and here need to be opposites, right? So we're going to have to use the same number both here and here, and then kind of a different same number here and here. And I think we can do that. A number that you can multiply by itself to get 25 is 5. I think this has to be 5x and 5x. Now the only thing you can multiply by itself to get 9 is 3. And to make them opposites, one needs to be negative, one needs to be positive. Here you're going to get plus 15x and minus 15x. So how about a final answer of 5x minus 3 times 5x plus 3? Not too shabby, Panthers. Good work. Okay, we're going to begin the mastery assessment in just a couple of minutes then. I want to remind you of the expectations that we always have for these assessments. So you're about to receive the assessment. You know you're going to work it by yourself. If you need to move to a location of the room that has no one sitting by you, you can, just to ensure that you're doing your work only. When you're finished, you'll put the assessment in the green tray that's right below the board. Return to your seat. Don't move the desks or chairs. Stay where you're at, and then wait silently for your classmates, okay? You can work on classwork if you have any of the classwork from the week so far incomplete. You can work on something from the I'm Done board behind you, or you can play a math game on your Chromebook. Panthers, good luck on the assessment. I'm sorry that I missed you today, and I look forward to seeing you Thursday morning. Take care.